My name's Ed Stocker. I'm the ecologist at Norfolk County Council, and I'm at Wiveton Downs today in North Norfolk. It's within the area of outstanding natural beauty, and we've got an interesting project here to introduce Highland cows to graze the heathland with the aid of a large grant from the CETA Trust that enabled us to fence the site. And it's a partnership project with the Coast Partnership, the Blakeney Parish Council, Wiveton Parish Council and Norfolk County Council. And it's made possible with the help of a local grazier as well, Stephen Yoram, who grazes several sites in the area. And the idea is to have these stepping stone sites around Norfolk where we can move the cows to benefit conservation, particularly heathland, which is a priority species for conservation in the UK.